Welcome back to my another video. So I'm gonna review with my slime, and yep, look at the slime. Whoa, it's very cool. We're gonna review it to it, and yep, see you in an SMR, I guess. I cannot open this. Okay, just wait a minute. There we go. I opened this one. Let's try. Okay, that brings a lot of SMR. And so, on to the next one. Gonna do that right there. Gonna close it up and to the next slime. Okay, so the next slime is actually the red slime, but it had glitters. All of them had glitters. Look at that. Oh my god. And once again, I need to turn off the little bit, like this little. Not to turn this a little bit off. Sorry if that is too long at all. Look at this, the shimmer. Let's give it an SMR. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's enough for an SMR, and I had a quick test though. I had a quick review of the slime because the SMR of it. Okay, this is really cool. This is actually oh my god. Oh my god. Smelly. Okay. And then okay. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, this one right there is a slime. Next one is my favorite. It actually is glitter and purple slime. Once again, every slime, actually I stop it because I cannot open it. So yeah. Okay, now I'm done. Finally. Okay, look at that. Give it an SMR. And once again, this is actually satisfying and clear slime. And now that's enough for our review. This looks like a clear slime, but actually it is purple. Look at that, it's so cool. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, I'm gonna do this right there, just like that. So it had had some straws because you can blow it with your straws, and why I don't know why there's molds here. I don't know why. Okay, but let's on to the next one. To the next one, it actually is a purple, which is my favorite again, but no glitters. I think they had, yep, it had it. It had a glitter, oopsies. Once again, no, but I'm not gonna turn off this a little bit, because actually I can't do it. There we go. SMR. Good. And that's enough for the ASMR. Okay, let's do it right there. Right there. On to the next one. The next one actually is a yellow slime. Oh, jeez. Okay, let's show you. Actually, it's a yellow slime. Ow, ow. Once again, here I go. I kind of make them. Oh my gosh! It's a circle. I gotta make them fast because actually my camera's too fast though. Yeah. Oh my god, this is cool circle. Let's poke it and do an ASMR. Okay, here. Okay, wait. And then, sorry for the noisy stuff, but actually, it's hard because look at that. Oh yeah. I love the slab so much. When you mix that into the red, it turns to orange. Look at how magic that is. And when you return to this see white ones, turns to yellow. So that's set up for the ASMR. But actually, noisy ASMR. And yeah. Gotta close it. So. Better closet. The next one is actually the orange lime, I guess. Okay, there's an orange one. Every slime has glitters, and that's cringe because I had hair. I hate that. Ow! Ow! Okay, once again, I am sorry for that, guys, and yeah, it's actually technical difficulties. So let's go. All I can do is poke because I don't want to ruin it. But it's look like a brown to the camera though, but it's an orange. Look like yuck. And now it's time to to the next one. To the next slime. There we go. Oh no. Right here. Let's do the last one. Yes! The last three. And the next one is blue. You can already see it. It's so cool. Actually, oh my god. It had glitter. And once again, I'm sorry for that. I setting once again and opening. Thank you, Lord, and excuse me. I'm sorry again for the container thingy. It's actually really hard, very hard. Okay, and yeah, guys.